Hello, bonjour. My name is Ron. In 2003, after 9 years military service and 18 years as a computer programmer analyst, I founded DnR Computer Services. I specialize in home computers, installations, and repairs. I'm the guy looking out for you and your gadgets. I know you can't be buying new computers every time something new comes out. I know how difficult it is to stay on top of new technology. Try to figure out what you need and what you can skip for now. But most importantly, how to keep using what you already bought. Take this laptop. It was headed for a landfill. Today, it's ready for a new home after I put together parts from 2 different laptops. And I installed Linux and Windows. That's great news. For us here in Western North Carolina, we really enjoy our clean mountains and our waterfalls. Whether you need Windows, Linux, a security system, or even a cheaper way to watch TV, I'm here to help you. I've been a Microsoft tester since 1995. I'm constantly learning new features from them and other companies so that I can best serve you. And that includes letting these companies know when it's time for them to back off. Got it? Cool. Antenna. My target group, seniors, handicapped, low income, people who can't afford to waste money. Chances are, my extremely low flat rate is less than the cash you have in your pocket, and it's much cheaper than a new laptop.